respected Sri Ibrahim Sahab, and of course, the most respected and your beloved leader, KP Nanjundi Vishwakarma ji, respected ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Nanjundi Vishwakarma ji is a one-man army. He is a person who can collect thousands and thousands of people on his own, and a man who rose from the ranks, who built up his own business, and he is spending his earnings not for his own benefit and comfort, but for the benefit of the community, and this is why he is a great man. I can share with you a secret that my Congress President, Srimati Sonia Gandhi, is very fond of him. Twice she has spoken to me, first that I should go and attend the function in Belgaum, which I attended, which had a huge gathering. Then again, she wanted to come for the foundation stone of this magnificent 101 feet single stone statue of Lord Vishwakarma, but she could not come and she asked me to represent her. This will be one of the tallest statues in the country. 1700 ton of stone, single stone, will be transported to the place where the sculptors will carve out a statue. I think it's a great feat. For generations to come, Nanjundi Vishwakarma ji would always be remembered for having given this statue to the people of this country. The suggestions made by H.R. Ranganath are very useful. The corporation can become self-sustainable by levying a small tax on every gram of gold sold, and this can generate funds. It's a good suggestion. Chief Minister holds the finance portfolio also. I will suggest to him that he should consider for the next budget. Also, the UPA government has started the skill development program on a very massive scale. A skill development institute or a skill development center specifically for goldsmith, gold and silver jewelry, I think is the need of the hour. And I'm sure the Deputy Chairman of the Planning Board here sitting with me, Ibrahim Sahab, will give his proposal to the Chief Minister to set up an institute for skill development for goldsmith and gems and jewelry and silver jewelry. Vishwakarma is a creator. We draw our inspiration from Lord Vishwakarma as he has been able to inspire the craftsmen over the centuries. And whatever we see, the piece of art, magnificent buildings, magnificent jewelry, is all been possible because of the inspiration of Lord Vishwakarma. I'm sure he will keep on inspiring the people for centuries to come, and more so after this magnificent statue of Lord Vishwakarma would be set up. I would like to once again congratulate and thank Mr. Nanjundi Vishwakarma ji for having taken a decision and planned the whole thing so meticulously. We hope that once the statue is completed, I will definitely put in a word to Congress President that whenever the statue is completed, she should come for the inauguration of the Lord Vishwakarma statue. My best wishes and compliments to the community and particularly to Mr. Nanjundi Vishwakarma ji, and I'm sure Srinivas Acharya ji, who is the chairman of the Handicraft Development Board, will take the inspiration from Nanjundi Vishwakarma ji, and his suggestions should be incorporated in the functioning of the development board. Thank you.